Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel and to the Advanced Cartoon Character Rigging course in 3ds Max. In this lesson, we will fix the incorrect sleeve rotation and set up stretching for the FK system. After all the manipulations with IK and FK systems, the sleeve rigging is currently working incorrectly. This is clearly visible if you switch to IK mode and rotate the elbow. The entire sleeve rig follows the arm, and it might seem that everything is correct. But if you imagine a real sleeve, it should follow the arm during vertical and horizontal movements, but should not rotate around its axis, unless, of course, it's a tight turtleneck. To fix this, we'll need an exposed TM object. Create it and align it by position and orientation to the humerus, upper arm bone. For some reason, on the right side, aligning via Alt-A might work incorrectly. This might be a quirk of a specific 3ds Max version. Therefore, I have to align the object several times. Be sure to double-check that everything is in its place. Now link the exposed TM to the humerus bone and perform a freeze transform. After that, in the exposed node field, select the same humerus bone. Repeat the same steps for the right side. Now we will break the direct rotation connection between the humerus bone and the sleeve rig driver helper. To do this, we use wire parameters. Press Alt+5 to open the settings window. Select the shoulder's x-axis rotation, local Euler XYZ as the master, and the sleeve point driver's rotation as the child. To invert the movement, simply add a minus sign at the beginning of the expression. Now we see that the sleeve rig follows the arm movement, but does not rotate around its x-axis. This is exactly the result we were looking for. Perform the same actions for the right side. Let's move on to setting up the FK chain stretching. First, select the bone ends and apply Freeze Transform to them. Next, select the upper arm and forearm on both arms, and in the Bone Tools window, uncheck the Freeze Length parameter. Link the controller's movement directly to the FK bone via wire parameters. We need to pass the values across all axes, connect X to X, Y to Y, and Z to Z. Do the same for the wrist. As you can see, the FK bones now follow our controllers. Right now, it looks like the bones are just tearing away from each other, breaking the system's hierarchy, but don't worry. Later, we will add a Flexy Line that will bind them together, and everything will work correctly. Do the same for the right side. That's all for this lesson. In the next episode, we will handle the stretch setup for the ARM IK system. See you in the next video.